Okay, welcome to Beau Hannam Guitars and Ukuleles. This is a review of the Neewer lights system that I got. So there's a yellow light and a white light. That's nothing. That's all yellow. That's all white. So I'm going to just turn them all on and just have the white on and the yellow off. I'll take a photo and you'll see the results, and then I'll crank the yellow all up and take a photo, and then I'll crank both the white and the yellow up at the same time, and you'll see the three different results. And so this is with all three lights at full yellow and full white. That guitar top is an Adirondack spruce top, red spruce. So it's, a pretty creamy color. I will take more pictures just with, so this is just with two lights at full, and then I'll take another one with just one, actually just the front light at full. There's much more shadow behind. What else can I do? I'll just take another picture, just all white. That looks horrible. And the camera, which is a 5D Mark II with a 100mm macro Canon lens on it. It's just set on automatic. So there you have these lights, which is the NL 660. They if you look at my other review, which is just merely an unboxing, you can see the different lights or the different LEDs, but you can see that there's 660 of them. That's just all white. That's both white and yellow, and that's all yellow, so you can get a good interplay of both if you're needing to warm things up or make things much lighter. So that's just one light on, two lights, and three lights. So you get a much nicer look with the backdrop, and that guitar is actually very close to that backdrop, so I could fix any shadowing that I've got just by moving this back from, like, the back foot is touching the curve. If I moved it forward 2 foot, that would be even better, but I just don't need to, especially for the review. So I hope that helps with people's decisions on making the purchase of these Neewer lights. These empty bags make good sort of weights for the infinity paper. So I hope this review of the Neewer 660 lights helps people in their decision making of purchasing them. They've certainly made my photography much better and much easier. So instead of taking like 150 pictures just with like handheld lamps and just using these lights, just, you know, the normal household lights, I can take 50 pictures, and once I take a few more I'll probably get that down to like 20 shots instead of, you know, 130 to 150 pictures. So, you know, it's a big time saver for not a big monetary investment, which is really good. Yeah, I really think these or any other studio lights that you can play with the warmth levels are a really, really good investment. Hope that helps people. Thank you. Bye.